Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking game and simplify your cleanup routine. We're talking about the Granitestone 10-piece pots and pans set, a diamond-coated, non-stick cookware collection in a striking blue finish. This set claims to be the complete kitchen in a box, offering durability, healthy cooking, and effortless use. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's unpack what you actually get in this 10-piece set. It's designed to be your all-in-one solution for everyday cooking. Inside, you'll find an 8.5-inch skillet, a 10.5-inch frying pan complete with a tempered glass lid, a 5-quart stock pot also with its own tempered glass lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan with a lid, and crucially, an XL aluminum steamer insert specifically designed for that 5-quart pot. This variety covers everything from quick sautéing and frying to simmering sauces and boiling pasta, making it a versatile foundation for any kitchen. Now, the star of the show for many will be the ultra-nonstick surface. Granitestone boasts a triple-layer non-stick coating, reinforced with actual diamonds. The idea here is that diamonds add exceptional hardness, leading to incredible durability and, of course, superior food release. They state that no oil or butter is needed for cooking, which is a significant draw for those looking to cook healthier meals. This means less fat, fewer calories, and for the cleanup crew, a much easier time scrubbing away stubborn food remnants. We'll be putting this claim to the test to see just how well it performs. Durability is another major selling point. The infusion of diamonds is intended to make this cookware last for years without significant wear and tear. This is a bold claim, as non-stick surfaces are often the first to show signs of aging, developing scratches, and losing their effectiveness over time. Granitestone asserts that their cookware is robust enough to handle metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks, and even electric beaters. This is a significant departure from traditional non-stick cookware, which usually comes with strict warnings against using anything but silicone or wooden tools. If this holds true, it could be a game-changer for how we interact with our pots and pans. Ergonomics and safety are clearly a focus with the Stay Cool handles. These handles are uniquely riveted, which is good for structural integrity. They are designed with a Y shape and are specifically engineered to remain cool to the touch, even when the pan is on the stovetop. This means you should be able to confidently pick up your cookware to flip food or transfer it without needing oven mitts or pot holders for every single move. The design is also intended to be ambidextrous, accommodating both right and left-handed cooks, which is a thoughtful touch. Versatility in the kitchen is key, and Granitestone's oven-safe capability up to a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit is impressive. This allows for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven, perfect for finishing off dishes like frittatas, gratins, or browning the top of a casserole. Furthermore, this set is compatible with all common stovetop types: gas, electric, halogen, and ceramic. However, it is important to note that it is not compatible with induction cooktops, which is a limitation for households with that specific heating technology. Beyond performance, the health and environmental aspects are highlighted. The cookware is free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This commitment to non-toxic materials ensures a healthier cooking environment, which is increasingly important for many consumers. It aligns with a desire for cleaner living and safer food preparation. The engineering behind the heating is also noteworthy. Each piece is stamped from a single sheet of aluminum, which is an excellent conductor of heat. This method is designed to ensure quick and even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. The absence of dead zones or hot spots means your food will cook more uniformly, preventing burnt edges while other parts remain undercooked. This consistency is crucial for achieving delicious and perfectly cooked meals every time. Finally, for peace of mind, Granitestone backs this cookware with a 10-year limited guarantee. This substantial warranty period suggests confidence in the product's longevity and performance, offering consumers a significant level of assurance in their investment. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides or things to consider. While the durability claim is exciting, real-world use will ultimately determine if it truly withstands metal utensils without showing wear. The ultra-nonstick claim, while promising, can vary in effectiveness over time and with different cooking methods. Also, the exclusion of induction compatibility will be a deal-breaker for some users. And while it's dishwasher safe, many experts still recommend handwashing for extended non-stick performance. In conclusion, the Granitestone 10-piece pots and pans set presents a compelling package. It offers a comprehensive set of versatile cookware, a strong emphasis on non-stick performance and durability, and thoughtful features like cool touch handles and oven-safe capabilities. The focus on healthy, toxin-free materials is a significant plus. While potential buyers should be aware of the induction limitation, this set appears to be a strong contender for anyone looking to refresh their kitchen with durable, easy-to-use, and potentially healthier cookware. Link in the description.